Right, got this Apollo PEX expansion tool. It's pretty cool. I like how this fits right on the tool itself. Take this off. Put the tool on. There's some little protrusions here that hold that in. So snap it in, screw it on. Here, it clicks in. Alright. Open it up, it narrows down. Push that in as far as we can. Go. Open it, and then you turn this if you want. According to the instructions, you either turn the whole tool or you turn this. Really opens that thing up. All the way open, then you quickly put your adapter in there. Let's do it a couple more. Actually, for this size PEX, you're supposed to do it 12 times. But you have to be quick, because this material has a memory and it'll start shrinking back on itself. It's kind of cool. I'm not a plumber, just checking out this tool. That sucker's in there. I like how they invented that material to shrink up on itself. Supposed to have a little collar on here, but I'm just acting around and demonstrating the tool.